Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Natasha Lorde, your favorite tax specialist, and today we are talking about provisional tax. If there is one tax type that can unite all people, whether you're a business, a trust, a freelancer, an individual, it is provisional tax. This will apply to everybody who qualifies. And so we're going to delve a little bit into this. Who qualifies for provisional tax? What on earth is provisional tax? When do you need to submit this and how do you submit it? Remember, you can always get tax help with us at Lorde Business Solutions, or you can go to Tax Now and learn how to submit your provisional tax conversationally, comfortably by yourself on Tax Now. You don't need any type of tax experience. This is a tool that I've created without feeling that you need to have any form of qualification or know how tax works. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your taxes, this video is here to alleviate the tax confusion and anxiety and just kind of feeling like you have no idea who to talk to or where to go. Provisional tax is not an additional tax. Provisional tax is there to help you spread your tax over the year instead of paying it all in one chunk. And it is geared towards people who are not making a steady income. As you know, salaried individuals who are making a steady income, their employers take care of their taxes. But say for instance, you're a salaried individual, but you also consult on the side, or you're trying to dip your toe into business, you still need to submit for provisional tax. If you have a rental property and that fluctuates on top of your salary, you still need to register for provisional tax. If you're a freelancer and you have sometimes got people deducting tax from you, but also you have to pay your own taxes or deal with your own taxes with other clients, you need to be registered for provisional tax. There's only businesses who are automatically registered for provisional tax. If you're not a business registered with CIPC and you're earning an income either while being salaried, or you're a freelancer or a sole proprietor, you need to do this registration yourself manually so that you can submit and declare this additional income that you make, and also then declare the tax that you think you're going to make over the next 12 months and pay half of that with your provisional tax. Provisional tax is taking your total tax bill and paying it in installments. It makes it so much easier because what happens is when you're earning income and it's fluctuating and it's not set or steady like a salary, cash flow is super important. And so to take out a huge chunk of your tax bill, that's a lot of money that you're paying. You could, rather than pay that all at once, pay it in installments. But remember, there are deadlines. It's there to help you pay it in installments, but you don't get to choose your installment period. There are set ways that you pay provisional tax. You pay provisional tax twice a year, once in August and the second time in February. People only think about their annual tax returns, but they don't actually know much about their provisional tax returns. In August is when you're going to pay your first provisional tax return, and then in Feb, you're going to pay the difference. For instance, you estimated that you need to pay tax on 100,000 Rand, and your tax amount is at 18% for an individual maybe, and that's 18,000 Rand. In August, you would pay your 9,000 Rand, and then in Feb, you pay the difference. I've told you when you need to pay your provisional tax, but I have not told you what provisional tax actually is. Provisional tax is essentially a tax type that has you estimating what you think you're going to make and what you think you're going to profit, and therefore the tax amount you think you're going to pay, and you pay half of that. That's the 4-step process. How much do you think you're going to turn over is the technical term. How much do you think you're going to have as a profit, which is taxable income? And then how much tax do you estimate you're going to pay on that? The tax portion is calculated automatically when you put in the taxable income. If any of this is confusing, don't forget to go to Tax Now, because Tax Now will help you understand these terms and help you with the calculations with regards to these terms that you might not know. But that's what provisional tax is. Provisional tax is simply a way for you to calculate what you think you're going to make. It is an estimate. Personally, I like to take what a client has done or produced over the past 6 months and work on that. If you say that I actually just signed a client and it's going to 5x how much we've made, then I would incorporate that into the calculation. But a lot of times people kind of have the same business life cycle, and what they made last year is somewhat around what they're going to make this year. And so I have them pay what they have already made in the past 6 months. You can estimate how much you're going forward. You can estimate how much profit you're going to make, and therefore SARS will give you the tax calculation on that. I hope you guys got it. I know that this is a foreign concept. Don't forget, you can always watch this video again and again and again. You can go to Tax Now and get a virtual guide or consultation on how to maximize your provisional tax, how to maximize your deductions, and also then how to actually submit your tax. From advice to preparation to filing, we got you. See you in the next video, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. You can visit our websites that are all down in the description, and my team and I will be there to help you. But I know these conversations can be a bit difficult, they can be a bit unnerving, they can kind of take a knock at, do I even know what I'm doing in life? But keep being curious, keep seeking out knowledge, and you'll be the better for it.